After a few days in Boston, I am bringing you to New Hampshire. So I missed the New Hampshire welcome sign, but basically it's a bit before this toll place. So technically you are in New Hampshire before this toll, but once you passed it, you definitely know that you are in New Hampshire. So welcome to New Hampshire.
Hello everybody, welcome to New Hampshire. Exactly. Base station? Okay, base station. From
Cog Railway.
Yeah, Cog Railway, yeah. So we're gonna go up to on the Cog Railway, and that is the first one in the States. In the world. There is no transition. Absolutely no transition. We just came here.
At a place we call had in those days went 1.5 miles an hour, which is would find a steam engine. It's sounding out, it's announced that departure from the base area. Also that he's already back and let use it. Now in the winter time specifically, minutes. 5 miles an hour.
I have to say I was very lucky. My first day in New Hampshire was a clear, bright, sunny day. It was perfect for this specific adventure. During winter, the train terminates at the Waumbek Station at an elevation of 4,000 feet. You can go up to the skyline, not during winter, at an elevation of 5,500 feet. But I have to say, that view was gorgeous enough to me. It was just perfect. You stay up there for something like 25 minutes. They got hot chocolates, coffee, marshmallows, and the firepit. It's such a nice moment to have up there, especially on such a beautiful day. I was very lucky. I really had a lot of fun, and for a first activity adventure in New Hampshire, it was super neat.
Beautiful. Whoa. Washington Hotel. Gorgeous. During the night, and that looks so good. Oh, wow, I love it. That looks beautiful. So, ski. I'm not skiing. Ski.
Gunstock.
Look like that. Beautiful. There's still snow. It's cold. It's winter. Hey. That's not fall. Karma makes me fall down. We did it, guys. It have just a pharmacy. It has to be a supermarket too. It's gonna sell ice cream and chocolate and all that stuff.